All right, now we have a similar linear equation, but in this case, we already are in the slope form, right? We can see that this is m, we have our x right here, and then we have our b, and our y is already solved, right? So what we pretty much have to do is just take those values, or actually the whole equation, and make our table and say x and y, and we're gonna ask ourselves, when x is something, like whatever point you want, whatever number you want, what is going to be y, right? So I'm just gonna do 2 points. Professor asked you to graph 3, but I'm doing 2 because it's fine. 2 is fine, don't get crazy. Right, so I'm gonna say when x is 0, what is 5? I'm gonna solve it right here. I'm gonna say 6, y equals 6 times 0, because I'm assuming that x is 0. What is 5? What is y? Right? So this cancels out because 6 times 0, 0. And then 0 plus 9, 9. Right? So when x is 0, y is equal to 9. Right? So, because we need 2 points in order for us to graph a linear equation, and now we need to ask ourselves for another point, right? So, I'm gonna say when x is -2, what is y? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna change this number because in my last video I used the same 2 numbers. So now I'm gonna use -3 just to prove you that you can use whatever number you want in there, okay? So we're going to say 6 times -3 plus 9. 6 times 3 is 18, but negative because it's positive times negative is negative, plus 9, right? So that will give you a -9. So when x is -3, y is going to be -9. These values right here, they don't matter because you know, this is positive and this is negative. This is totally different values. Okay, I'm gonna delete this part to make the graph over there. If you need to go back and watch it, you just go back and look at it. All right, so, oops, I'm running out of marker. So we're gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is going x, this is y, right? This is negative x, and this is negative y. All right, so having this point, we can write it like a order pair. All right, so when this is x and this is y, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go like our point said. When x is 0, which is right here in the middle, because this is 1, negative 1, negative 1y, and positive 1y, right? So because this is 0 right here, right? This is not a point, this is just 0 right there, right there. So when x is 0, we're going to go up 9 units. So because y is this axis, right? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is our first point. And that says that 0 and 9. And that pretty much is our y-intercept. This is another way of getting our y-intercept. And so when you put x at 0, it will give you the y-intercept. So that you can call this as a y-intercept also, 0, 9. Because when x is 0, the result of the value for y will give you the y-intercept. But you can also use it to graph any equation, any linear equation. So now we said that x is -3. We go 3 to the left, 1, 2, 3, and our y is -9. So we go down now 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 9 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is our second point. So now we just pretty much have to draw the line. We're gonna, I'm not a drawer, so we're gonna come from here. We're gonna try, I suck. This should be a linear, a line. It should not have this curve that I have right here. So, but you know, like I said, I'm not the best drawer ever. So this will be our line.